Nigga, it's because of me, bitch. It's because of me. You see how cocky I am? I put you, word. Stop playing like that, bro. Stop playing like that, bro. Stop playing like that, bro. Come on, I know you want to laugh. Just laugh. I know you want to laugh, bro. Go ahead and laugh. Nah, be honest. Oh, he from Miami? Oh, I was just in Miami. Miami was lit, gang. Yeah, your city is lit, bro. Why you ain't linked up? Why you ain't linked up? Oh, I gotta hit your phone? Bro, come on. I know you got all the bitches. Why you ain't linked up? Oh, you don't got no bitches right now? Oh, you don't want to give me bitches? Oh, you don't know me? Okay. Well, come on, bro. We've been live mad times. You don't give a fuck about that? Okay. So like we enemies type shit. Somebody say you got a roach. What a roach? Chat, me or him? Cause I don't got roaches. You got roaches? I hope you don't got roaches. Chat, me or him? Where the bug at? Move. I think you got a bug. I think you got a roach in the back. You gotta chill out, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You good? Yo! Nigga, can you motherfucking look, nigga? Bro, come on, my nigga, come on. You really gon' so you really gonna do this to me, bro? Like you really gonna word? Like what's up with you though, bro? Like why you don't word? What's up, bro? Talk. I was just in Miami. What? What, nigga? What? Bro, listen to me, bro. I was just in Miami. We could have linked up. We could have had some bitches. You could have been on the vlog and all that. Why are you moving like that for, bro? Oh, the bitches don't like me? You know, I could fuck any bitch that you fucked with, right? Respectfully, though. Respectfully. And I'm just keeping it a stack. What? Oh, you don't got no bitches? You know why? Because you an ugly ass nigga. You's an ugly ass motherfucker. You are? Stop playing with me, bro. Niggas not word. Niggas is not on word. We is word. Word, yeah. Yeah, you feel me? Hey, yo, I heard some of your music. I fuck with it. Nah, this nigga is spitting facts. Not Silky, you on my dick. Silky, stop comment. So Silky, what's up, bro? Anyways, Mario, yeah. So, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? You good? Nigga, you talk, nigga. Stop talking like that, nigga. You talk, nigga. Talk, man. What, nigga? What, nigga? What? What, nigga? What? You see, like, I fuck with you, though. You don't understand. Like, I genuinely fuck with you. But you just be on some hot shit. Like, we've been on live multiple times. You know how this go. You lose, I win. Every single time, Mario. Why you acting like that? Suck my dick. Suck my dick. What? Shit. Loud ass phone. Shit. What's up, nigga? I'm back, nigga. What? What? I'm back, nigga. What? Oh, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, nigga? I'm like that. I'm like that. What's up? Huh? What's up? What you trying to get into? He spit on me? He spit on me? Bro, what's up, bro? You making it look like you spit on me? Yes or no, nigga? You spit on me? Huh? Huh? You spit on me? Oh, why? That's what I thought. That's what I thought, nigga. That's what I thought, nigga. Oh, yeah, that's what I like. Yeah, nigga. Stop, nigga! Stop. What's going on, nigga? What's up? I don't know.